Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share photos using Amazon Photos. This is a fantastic way to share your memories with family and friends, whether it's vacation snapshots or special event albums. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to amazon.com/photos. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your Amazon account. This will take you directly into your Amazon Photos library where all your uploaded images are stored. After signing in, look over to the left sidebar and click on Albums. This section houses all the photo collections you've created and organized. Clicking here will display a grid view of all your albums, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Now click on the specific album you want to share. This opens up the album so you can see all the photos inside. It's a good idea to quickly browse through and make sure this is indeed the collection you want to send to others. Once you've confirmed, we can move forward with the sharing process. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Share. Click on it. This button is your gateway to multiple sharing options that Amazon Photos provides, giving you flexibility in how you distribute your content. When you click Share, you'll notice several different choices appear, such as link, email, or Facebook. Each option serves a different purpose depending on how you prefer to communicate. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the link option as it's the most versatile and works across virtually any platform or messaging service. Go ahead and click on Link. This selection prepares Amazon Photos to generate a unique URL that anyone can use to view your album. It's a secure and straightforward method that doesn't require the recipient to have an Amazon account. Next, click on Get Share Link. Amazon Photos will now create a custom URL specifically for this album. This process usually takes just a moment, so you might see a brief loading indicator while the link is being generated. Once the link appears, you'll see a copy button right next to it. Click the copy button to save the link to your clipboard. This ensures the entire URL is captured accurately without any risk of typos or missing characters. Now open your email, chat app, or message thread where you want to share the album. This could be Gmail, WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other communication platform you regularly use. Simply paste the link into your message by right-clicking and selecting Paste or using the keyboard shortcut. Finally, send the message to the people you want to share with. They'll receive the link and can click it to view your album directly in their browser. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Amazon Photos album using a link that's easy to distribute and access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.